Exposing the secret to making money while studying, and it's easier than you think. Welcome back to JR Group. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more great content. Today we're diving into how you can earn money as a student. First up, personal experience. I made my first $10,000 as a medical student. Game changer, right? The key? Shifting from a scarcity mindset to realizing the internet's potential. Think of money as an exchange of value. Your goal? Provide $10,000 worth of value to clients. How? By selling products or services. Focus on what businesses need. I earned $10,000 in a day teaching a medical prep course to 150 students. Find your niche, be it web design, social media management, or tutoring. Start with free trials to gather testimonials, then secure high-value clients. Remember, businesses are willing to pay for real value. Earning $10,000 while studying is totally doable. Start today and turn your skills into cash. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. That's